greetings, greetings. Yes, we've done it. 100 days of meditations as part of the COVID. Hang on, just a minute. We've done it. 100 days of guided meditations and talks and inspirations. Wow, we've done it. Give yourself a pat on the back. Yay! And a big self-love hug. Hang on. Totally live today. I just really want to spend a couple of moments to say thank you. Thank you for being with me on this journey. I'm in Grenada, not quite sure when we're going back home, obviously waiting for the airports to open up and for COVID-19 to settle whichever which way back home in London. So this 100 days meditation was really a way to just to share some quiet, mindful moments with you and with myself as well. So I just encourage you to, flick through the series, pick out videos which really kind of resonate with you, disregard the ones that don't. That's how we work in life, and just really take time every day. In fact, what's one takeaway have you gained from these 100 videos? What's one thing that you've really kind of connected with and thought, yeah, that makes sense, I can do that, yeah, I can see myself doing that? I'd love to know, so please share that down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, whenever that will be, in a few weeks. But till then, please take care, dear friends. Thanks for all your love, support, guidance, and keep those self-love hugs. Mwah! And pat on the backs, keep those going. Woo! Windy.